Welcome back to my channel. Friends, now sit tight and enjoy today's video on a unique place in Australia. It is known as Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve, and I have my friend sitting next to me, and let's see how he pronounces it. It's not easy. Okay, my friend, so how do you pronounce it? Tintinbilla? No, it's wrong. Okay, two more tries. Say it again. Tidbinbilla? No, it's again wrong. It is Tidbinbilla. Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. And honestly, the first time I heard this name, I could not pronounce it. It was a challenge for me, but now I can pronounce it correctly as Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. It is located about 45 kilometers from Canberra Downtown. As you all know, Canberra is the capital of Australia, and Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve is a place where culture, wildlife and nature blend together. When I say blending, it means here you can experience the tribal culture, watch precious wildlife and enjoy beautiful and heart-throbbing nature. So, we are now heading to the Welcome Center to purchase a ticket for the vehicle to enter and gather some information about the park.
Wow, I just loved it. How beautiful the day was with clouds in the sky. It was drizzling, intermittently raining, and a comfortable temperature, which made my drive awesome and memorable. Let me tell you, the Welcome Center was beautiful and clean with all the facilities available. There was a very helpful and cooperative staff. As I said, there is a ticket for your vehicle that you need to buy and grab the map of the reserve so that you can roam around on your own. Now enjoy the beautiful drive in and around the nature reserve and catch glimpses of the natural beauty and wildlife.
Tidbinbilla plays a vital role in wildlife management and protection, collaborating with several institutions to protect threatened species and find ways to improve reintroduction success and survivability outside of fenced environments.
This reserve is home to a wide range of Australian animals living in diverse subalpine habitats including wetlands, grasslands, wet and dry forests, and woodlands. These habitats support a wide range of wildlife including kangaroos, wallabies, koalas, platypus, potoroos, bandicoots, wallaroos, echidnas, emus, lyrebirds, as well as many other species of birds and reptiles.
Many people have asked me if is it safe to visit Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. Well, unlike the dense forests of India and the savanna of Africa, which are also home to ferocious animals, the jungle regions of Australia are safe to visit when accompanied by a local tour guide. There is no immediate danger from the marsupials, mammals, and birds that are found in Canberra and other parts of Australia. There are kangaroos everywhere, as you see here. We were passing by them and they all stopped and started staring at us. Maybe they thought that some aliens had come their way. Generally, they are not aggressive, but one showed its muscles. The place offers you a variety of bushwalks from 30 minutes to a 6-hour walk.
It is interesting to watch how kangaroos fight. So, let's watch it and enjoy. Kangaroos are vegetarians and eat grass to get proteins, just like a cow, but they do not emit lots of methane as cows do.
A key part of the Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve is the 700-meter Koala Path. The Koala Path is the perfect short walk. The whole nature reserve is brimming with Australian native animals. However, if you want to see a koala, then the Koala Path is a guaranteed sighting in the sanctuary area. After entering the nature reserve, follow the map to the eucalypt forest and walk through the gate into the koala sanctuary area. This area is often for pregnant koalas, new mothers, recovering koalas, or any who may need veterinary assistance. It is here that you can get a close look at this sleepy, beautiful Australian icon, before taking a walk and looking for them in the wild.
As I said, koalas are not bears but look alike because of their fluffy with round ears and big black nose. Baby koalas are too cute and beautiful. They are also called joeys that develop in their mother's pouch for about 6 months. After this time, ride on mum's back for another 6 months, while using the pouch to feed and sleep.
In Australia, koalas are found in the wild in southeastern and eastern Australia and some coastline areas. They live high up in eucalyptus trees, eat its leaves, and perch between the forks of the tree branches. Since koalas live on the rough spots of eucalyptus trees, nature has provided a very strong butt to them, which is provided with strong cartilage at the end of their curved spine, allowing them to make their habitat comfortable.
It is very sad to say that the koala population is declining due to massive forest deforestation. With trees going away, koalas must spend more time on the ground searching for food, becoming vulnerable to predators or moving objects. As a result of the declining population, the koala is now listed as an endangered species, which means that if their population is not protected and conserved, they will extinct.
Here you are watching a koala climbing a eucalyptus tree with lots of effort to perch and eat. Imagine how much energy it needs to climb with a baby in the pouch. A baby is in the pouch, tries to peep out of the pouch. And a koala mother, tired and sleepy, going to take rest. Look at its beautiful fluffy fur. Oh, it looks really sleepy, needs to go.
Okay, so this gate is the entry to the sanctuary in Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve. People can go there and enjoy the serenity while walking on the path. There are many species of mammals, reptiles, and birds that you may see while enjoying a walk. Tidbinbilla, with its vast wetland, is a paradise for avid birdwatchers because such habitats attract several water birds as well as migratory birds. It is quite easy to be able to spot emus, lyrebirds, freckled ducks,
rufous whistlers, brolga, blue Australian moorhen, musk duck, the black swan, common bronzewing, and many more.
With this tour of Tidbinbilla comes to an end. Please stay tuned for many more videos to come. Until then, please take care of yourself, stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.